I am here in the field and I will sing my Valentine's because today is February 14, 2022. Happy Valentine's to everybody, to all the friends over there. Enjoy guys your Valentine's Day. And if you like my video guys, please do like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Click my notification bell for you to update on my next video. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance went out of rhyme, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Happy Valentine's again. All of my life I have been waiting for all you give to me. You opened my eyes and showed me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before, and when in my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. You would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. Happy Valentine's once again. I hope you guys enjoying your Valentine's celebration for today, especially to the lovers. Alright, so see you guys around, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like, comment. Of course, click my notification bell for you to update on my next uploaded videos. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting my videos.